I think you are going to absolutely love me for this. I have found the newest, best place to create subtitles for your videos. And no, number one, this is not CapCut. This is not Premiere. This is not Submagic or some other third party software. This is the one and only Davinci Resolve. Let's check it out. All right, so Davinci Resolve just came out with the update, Davinci Resolve 20, and now they have the opportunity to create some subtitles for your videos. So if I just go ahead and bring in a video that I have like we normally would, and I'm just going to go ahead and sync up the media so that way everything's just kind of on point here. Boom. And now we can just get rid of any extra trash. Always good to do this before creating your subtitles so you don't have a bunch of garbage in there. All right, now we can head up to timeline. Then we can go to AI tools, create subtitles from audio. We can now create the subtitles. And now what we can do is we can go to effects. And this is where it becomes really cool. So let's say we wanted to add on the comic title to all these subtitles. This is why CapCut's so amazing, because you couldn't previously do this in DaVinci and adjust the subtitles without going in here and creating it yourself. But now we can drag on this comic title right here to the subtitle layer. Everything is in comic now. Is that cool or what? So now what we can do, beyond being able to drag in the comic section, we can actually come over to the brand new subtitles section. And now we have some standard ones, like we have the comic one here, but we also have animated ones. So check out this. Lollipop. Now let's take a quick break for today's sponsor of the video. Freaking exciting, man. We've been waiting for this feature for so long. So long. This is so helpful. It's not even funny. We can do a bunch of cool different ones. We'll just take a look at a couple of them here. Now let's take a quick break for today's sponsor of the video. And now for today's sponsor of the video, audio. The best place on earth to get royalty-free music and sound effects for your videos. With Davinci Resolve's new AI features, I thought that this would be an excellent pairing. They have some excellent music AI features, such as Hans AI, where you can just describe the scene or the type of style of music that you're going for and find music smarter. The next feature that they have is called Link Match AI, which we can take a YouTube video or a Spotify link of our favorite music and send it directly into audio, and it will spit out almost instantly for us some music tracks that are exactly like it. So if you're ever struggling to find music, whether it's got copyright or whatever, and you just want to find a song just like it, or you find some music, but you don't know if it's copyright or not, so you don't want to use it, and you want to find music like it, stick it in the Link Match AI on audio. Audio does it all. Just like DaVinci. To make the best bang for your buck, they've given me a massive opportunity to give you guys 70% off your first year. That drops the subscription down from $199 to just $59 for your first year of audio. Big shout out to Audio for sponsoring this video. And yeah, make sure you guys use my code down below if you want to get the subscription for just 59 bucks for your first year. Go check that out below in the description. Word highlight, I'm sure you've seen this one a bunch. Let's take a quick break for today's sponsor. Obviously, you have to line the words up and the subtitles up with where you're going, but this is really freaking nice, man. It's so good. You can jump into Fusion if you want to take a look at any of these, and I'm sure that there's a way that we can create these templates ourselves. We might even be able to use any template on this that we've created. I haven't tested that out. Let me see if I can pull up a template here that'll maybe work for this. Let me see if we got something. So let me see what happens when I drag this on here. I'm not sure if this is going to work or not. We're about to find out in real time. Now, the sponsor of the video, audio. Woo! That's going to make editing so much faster in DaVinci. We have so many brand new AI features in DaVinci Resolve. This is possibly the best update that DaVinci has ever made with the keyframe editor and all the different other AI features. This is just incredible. I have no words, Blackmagic. This is absolutely awesome. Okay, maybe I have some words. This is the best place to come for subtitles now, of course. So if you guys want some subtitles, you know where to go. It all happens in the best video editing software out there, DaVinci Resolve. I can't say that enough. However, if you're looking for the best way to level up your ability to work as a video editor inside of DaVinci Resolve, whether that's for leveling up your skills or leveling up your money, I'm going to be coming out with some brand new courses and trainings for you guys, as well as some group and individualized coaching and a brand new community of DaVinci Resolve lovers just like you to help you guys out. If that's something that you guys want to get into, make sure you guys click the link down below in the description. It'll either be to book a call with me or to sign up or get whatever you need. So hit that link in the description down below. I'll catch you guys in the next one.